I don't need no beer tonight, boy. All right, let's put these coil packs back in. Good. A little darting. Oh no, that would have been bad. Sits here for 4 weeks with not worry about it. And then as soon as I put it on, the bolt comes off and just flies around.
All right, on to the next day.
Yeah. Yeah.
You lost it all.
It was gone whenever I lost the memory card. But literally all you have to do is just take this off and just plug it up. So like there's no point of even showing how to do that. Alright, those two are done. Like these two bolts, I have no idea what they are, I forgot. And this one. We'll just have to figure it out. These are good to go. Dude, I was gonna get the other coils that they sell for like they're like $550 or some shit. Yeah. And they're good. They say they have better throttle response and all kind of stuff, but they say these pieces come off. The next time you pull them off, they just split in half and you can't get them out. Like, who the hell will buy that? Definitely not me.
Definitely me. Not me.
Alright. Oh god. Is there a gasket? Oh, thank god there's a gasket. Cool. That definitely needs to be cleaned. All clean. Alright, let's put this sucker in. Yeet! Oh, let's double check the gaskets. Lens isn't fogged up now, so you can actually see the ported intakes and how much bigger they are. On the first video, that first video was so garbage, dude. We got gaskets here that we put on. Oh yeah. Auto Mafia Racing actually supplies the new intake. They say they rather buy the new intake instead of the used one because of the fumes and everything. So they actually get new intakes and then port them. So that's what I went ahead and did to make their jobs a little easier for them. Let's see if we can get this sucker on the right way. Oh, there it goes. Dude, the intake area, this stuff isn't really hard because all you gotta do is literally transfer everything over and bolt it back up. But since we've been doing other stuff to the car and buying other parts, that's why it's taking so long to put this back together. I believe this is cutting threads right now. Oh Lord, have mercy. Alright, put that sucker in. That's good, that's good. Let's install the throttle body.
Somehow, some way it fits over that.
Yep. Yes, indeed. This car's not going to know what to do once we get this stuff on, huh? It's going to be like, oh my god, I'm back to life.
You know, what am I ever doing? What am I? You want to do it?
I need to try to clean that intake a little, that throttle body a little bit better. All right, everything's back together.
Get it.
All right, what we have here is a coolant refiller kit. It's gonna suck a vacuum out, and then we're gonna put it up to 20 to 24, negative 24 on the gauge to create a vacuum, and it's gonna suck the coolant in. And then there will be, to make sure there's no air in the system. So that's what we're gonna do right here. So we got coolant. Open this valve. Get this to 24 to 25. You can see it's creating a vacuum on suction on all the coolant lines. All right, turn that off, and then we're gonna be able to turn this on, and it should suck coolant in. We gotta make sure that stays full. It'll continue to flow in. Once the gauge hits 0, that means our system is completely full. So right now that vacuum is pulling in all the coolant into the coolant system. And we shouldn't have any air, and we should be good to go once it hits 0.
Making with drive boy station. When it hits you, yes, indeed. Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed.